Hello everyone, JohnnyThunderEAS&Weather here with an update to the Day 1 Fire Weather Outlook. The fire weather outlook for a large part remains the same. There's an elevated fire weather risk here that remains the same, so there's no need to go over that since it remains the same. However, a second elevated fire weather risk today has been added to include southwestern Oklahoma and northwestern Texas. That's where we now have a second elevated fire weather risk today, okay? So, a second elevated area was added over portions of western Oklahoma, the eastern Texas Panhandle, and low-rolling plains in eastern Caprock. Here, previous forecast thinking the combination of breezy post-frontal winds and low relative humidity would be too temporarily limited to warrant elevated highlights. However, the latest surface observations show 20 to 25 miles per hour sustained northerly surface winds with higher gusts and lower 20s relative humidity. Given the early onset of these dry, windy conditions, the elevated area seems warranted and has been confined to where fuels appear most receptive. So, anyway, remain vigilant and safe in the elevated fire weather risk areas today, and if I were you, I would gather supplies immediately, such as food, water, clothing, toiletries, medical supplies, a flashlight, cell phone, phone chargers, extra batteries, and a battery-powered radio in the event that you need to evacuate on a moment's notice. Okay? So, just so you're all aware of that. And please avoid outdoor burning in these areas. Please avoid outdoor burning in these areas. Okay? Anyway. Yeah. And do not throw cigarettes on the ground. Do not throw cigarettes on the ground. Because one, that's littering. Two, just one little spark is all it takes for a fire to start and spread quickly. Yeah. Anyway, and make sure your cigarette is fully out before you throw it away. So, stay safe and vigilant in these areas, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.